Billions of years ago, a galaxy crossed our sky. The Milky Way pulled it closer, and gravity made it die. Where did it go? Gravity tore it apart. Its stars were scattered through the dark and swallowed by our galaxy. But some of those ancient stars still circle us today. They came from a galaxy that no longer exists. The Milky Way ate a galaxy, and its stars survived. The Milky Way ate a galaxy, and its stars survived. So when you look into the night, remember, you're looking at a graveyard of galaxies.